Have you ever lost precious footage from your camera or drone? Hours of recording, gone in seconds. But what if I told you there's now an AI-powered way to recover lost videos and photos without any damage? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can bring back your deleted or corrupted footage using the brand new Wondershare Recoverit V14. Whether you're a filmmaker, a drone pilot, or just someone capturing some memories, you definitely know the frustration. Files get deleted, SD cards get corrupted, and sometimes your SD cards formatted accidentally. Traditional recovery tools often give you incomplete or damaged results, and that's where AI changes everything. Recoverit V14 takes recovery to the next level with AI-powered technology. Here's what makes it a game changer. AI-powered device recognition. It instantly identifies over 1 million devices, from DSLRs and action cameras to drones, and it creates a tailored recovery solution for each one. AI-powered efficiency. Recovery is now faster than ever, with accelerated file scanning and a built-in AI assistant guiding you every step of the way. AI-enhanced repair. Lost quality? No problem. Recoverit restores photos to their best resolution and repairs corrupted or unplayable videos effortlessly. Now let's see how all of this works. Let's imagine that I lost footage from my drone's SD card. Here's how simple it is with Recoverit V14. Connect your device or SD card to your PC, then open Recoverit V14 and it automatically detects your device with AI recognition. Then select the location and hit scan. The AI kicks in to find lost or hidden files faster than ever. Preview your photos and videos, even the corrupted ones. Then click recover and watch your footage come back to life in its best possible quality. Recoverit V14 is perfect for drone pilots who lose 4K footage mid-flight, photographers who need to restore raw files, content creators who cannot afford to lose hours of edited clips, or anyone who accidentally formatted their SD card. Now here's the truth, most recovery tools stop at just finding the files. But with Recoverit AI, the software actually understands your device, repairs your media, and delivers results without the usual quality loss. That's why it's a must-have tool for anyone working with cameras or drones. So if you're ready to recover lost videos or photos without any damage, you most definitely should try out Wondershare Recoverit V14 with AI. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out. And don't let lost files hold you back. Recover your memories and footage with the power of AI.